Hey there, Nathan here from Phantom Booster. Today I've got a new playbook for you. One that's all about reaching out to recently promoted ICPs at just the right moment. Here's the thing. When someone steps into a new role, they are often eager to make an impact, prove themselves, and bring in fresh ideas. That's when they are most open to new solutions, and that's your window. Acting on that moment gets results. In fact, 93% of B2B teams report higher conversion rates when they act on intent signals like job changes. That's huge. This playbook shows you exactly how to spot promotions automatically and reach out with perfect timing. We will use Sales Navigator to filter for promotions and Phantom Booster to automate the outreach. Ready to use this signal to accelerate conversions? Let's jump in. So you'll go on your Sales Navigator accounts, and here the first thing you will do is that you will filter your ICPs. So in my example, I will search for Sales Manager, let's say in the city of Boston in the US. So these are static filters, so it will not move, but you have some dynamic ones such as change jobs here. So this one will take the people who recently got promoted and changed jobs in the last 90 days. Now that my search is ready, I will copy the URL and go to my Phantom Booster account. I want to use a flow that's taking two steps. The first one is extracting the leads from a Sales Navigator search and then connecting with these leads. So I will select Sales Navigator. I can see here the connect with profiles from a Sales Navigator search. I will select this one. First thing I need to do is to connect my Sales Navigator account. It's already done. And here on the input, I will paste my search. Then I will need to write an invitation message, something like, hi, first name, happy to connect with sales managers like yourself. Save. Now I need to write my follow-up messages. So I will write something simple. Hi, first name. I'm curious. Have you already tried to use Phantom Booster to generate more leads? And then I will just paste the link of Phantom Booster. Then I can choose to attach files if it's relevant. In this case, I will not do it. And then I need to select how many days after the connection request is accepted I want to send this first message. So I will say just maybe 1 day. I could schedule a second follow-up message and even a third one. In this case, it's not very relevant, so I'll click save and then process. Last thing I need to do is to activate my flow. I just need to toggle on here. So now my flow is activated. You see that on my leads tab, I'm able to check the status of the leads. So for the moment, I didn't send an invitation to anyone. You can see not invited yet. And then you can filter by the status. So leads in the queue, the ones invited, the ones who accepted your request, and so on. If you click on the report tab, then you will be able to have a look at your metrics, the number of invitations you sent, and the number of requests accepted. Then you have a flow performance progress and a message sequence performance. So with this flow, you will be able to connect and send follow-up messages every day to new leads because your search on Sales Navigator is dynamic. It means that every day and every week there will be new people being promoted and changing jobs, and then they will be feeding your flow. So they will come in your flow and you will send them a connection and follow-up messages. All right, that's it for today. You just saw how to spot competitor activity on LinkedIn, extract people who liked or commented the post, build your lead list, and automate your outreach. It's a simple but powerful way to reach people already showing interest in solutions like yours. Now it's your turn. Give this playbook a try and see what results you get. Catch you in the next video.